Hi viewers, Nicola Coughlan just surprise fans again. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today viewers, I want us to look at something that caught my attention while scrolling through the latest conversation about Nicola Coughlan. And honestly, this post made me smile because the fan basically says something that I think a lot of Nicola's supporters can relate to. Viewers, they say that Nicola is always taking people by surprise. That whenever she's doing something unexpected, it feels like she has something new up her sleeve and they are simply proud of her. Wow. Are you proud of Nicola, viewers? Me, I'm so proud of her. And I think, guys, that's such an interesting way to look at someone's career. Because when you follow an actor for a while, you start to become familiar with the role they have played and the things they are known for. But then everyone now and again they do something that makes you stop and say, wait, I wasn't expecting that, really. And that's exactly the feeling I'm getting from this announcement. Guys, Nicola Coughlan is joining the cast of upcoming Netflix animated project Charlie versus the Chocolate Factory. And what makes this even more interesting is the group of people involved, the people who are involved in this upcoming Netflix animated is we have Nicola Coughlan, Charithra Chandran, Katie Woolsey, Telly Waity, Katie Kono, and several other talented performers. Are you not happy? Because it seems like a reunion, because one of their fandom, they are going to be back together. They found themselves together. Now, I think the first thing fans might notice is the connection between Nicola Coughlan and Charithra. Of course, many people know them by and from Bridgerton, so seeing their names connected to to another project is a fun surprise. But I also like the fact that this isn't simply about repeating what they have already done. It's something different, and that's what makes this announcement worthy talking about. When I look at Nicola's career, one thing that stands out to me is the variety. We've seen her taking on a different character and different styles of performance, and now we are getting the opportunity to hear her in an animated project. That's exciting because voice acting requires a different kind of performance. When you are watching an actor on screen, you can see their facial expression, body language, and reaction. Viewers with the voice acting, the voice becomes extremely important. The emotions, personality, and energy have to come through differently. So, personality is one of the most important thing. Personally, I am curious to see that what Nicola brings to this project. I can't wait to see what she's up to. Not because we should make assumptions about the character, we don't need to do that. I exactly think it's better to wait and experience the project when we have more information, and that's something I want to emphasize through this video. There is a difference between being excited about something and making claims about something we don't know yet. Sometimes we can be excited without pretending we know the entire story. We can simply say, "This looks interesting. I can't wait to see that Nicola does. I love seeing her try something different." And that's enough for us. Now, going back to the original post, I really like the phrase always taking us by surprise, because isn't it, it's not that one of the enjoyable things about following someone's career. You don't always know what's coming next. Sometimes you expected one thing and then an announcement come along that completely changed the conversation. And I think that's why fans are reacting to this. It's not necessarily about trying to predict everything, it's about enjoying the moment. There is also something encouraging about seeing someone continuing to explore their creativity. And this isn't just a lesson for celebrities. I think it applies to all of us. Sometimes we become comfortable doing the same thing because that's what people already know us for. Maybe people expect you to stay in one particular lane, but growth can sometimes mean trying something different. You might discover a talent you didn't know you had. You might meet new people, you might learn something new, and you might surprise the people around you. That's why I think this announcement can be more than just entertainment news. It can actually remind us that it's okay to keep developing. It's okay to have different chapter character. It's okay to it's okay for us to surprise people that are surrounded by you. Uh, and it's okay to surprise yourself. Now, another thing I find interesting about this project is the cast. When you see so many recognizable performers connected to one project, naturally people become curious. But again, I think the best thing we can do is to wait and see how everything comes together. The movie has a long way to go before it's released. So there is plenty of time for more information to come out. and that makes following a project like this fun. First, you get the announcement, then maybe we get more information about the collector. Then, eventually, we see promotional material, and finally, we get to know we get to know uh, who and watch the finished project. So this is really just the beginning of the conversation, and I want to know that you think when you saw Nicola's name connected to this project, were you surprised and were you excited? And what do you think about seeing Nicola Coughlan and Charithra Chandran together in the project? They are involved. For me, I think the best thing is simply this. I'm happy to see Nicola Coughlan continuing to explore different opportunities and giving fans something new to look forward to. And that's what makes this announcement excited. Not rumors, not speculation, just appreciation for the work and curiosity about what's coming next. So what do you think? Do you if you enjoy seeing actors step as outside the law they are already famous for, would you like to see Nicola do more voice acting and animation in the future? Let's know your thoughts in the comments. And if you are Nicola Coughlan's fan, tell me one project or performance of that made you think, wow, I didn't expect that. I would really love to hear your answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying this conversation, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more positive discussion about entertainment, career, creativity, and the people who continue to inspire their audience. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to share my video so that many people can hear what it is at BB Sport. Bye.